How you supposed to know when you go respect when you don't know? I'm saying when this life starts in your eyes, the shadows below, because you know the heaven above, how a light shine in the streets below. I'm saying my goals, how to find respect, how I make it so, and I put my heart into it. I'm saying my life starts today, from the morning I wake up. It starts right there, seeing respect of medical to go to see that side, who you lay with, how you roll with, your crew who has your back. I say this ways, the ways I wanna speak my mind, because that's where respect comes from. To know it starts from the mind to the body, for this driver to know not to hit a soul, to know this waves of the mind to go. I'm saying my ways of darkness hand shows my path, a light from above. I'm saying don't leave it go, because this wave of light, this light of shine, a dagger below, to cut this darkness, to talk this way, to wave the mind, to leave it slowly fade. I don't want to see another bother in the gutter. I'm saying let's go, find respect and let it go. I'm saying you can make it every day with this dough, so make it so, something you'd be proud to know you can have it in your very soul, to cheer about this respect around you in a society of the streets, to know that hate crime just fades away. It's all up to you to make it show, to make it heard, to know the shadows will follow you in the night. I'm saying the moonlight you can still see. I'm saying the stars you can reach for that. I'm saying this waves, I don't want to hear the demons waking up below. I want to see the light from the angels above. I'm saying my peace, don't let it go or fade away. Even when you sleep, dream about it. Make it positivity into your mind, to know that body needs that juice, that cooking up of the chemicals of the mind. I'm saying don't let it go, leave it be, let it do the ways you gotta see. So this respect where it starts inside me, inside my lover, to know she's in, to know this waves of the mind it's so go like that. I'm row, I'm saying this moment of my life to show, so it doesn't end right here and now. I'm still alive, even this execution style to go, so don't let it fade. I'm saying my mind, my posture to go, a statue with standards, to know this way, this wave of the mind, all the way up.